जन्मदिन बहुत बहुत मुबारक हो मनमन। और अब धीरे धीरे तुम घर के काम करना शुरू कर दो क्योंकि तुम्हारा वक्त भी आने वाला है।
Happy birthday, awesome.
Isha, have an amazing day and amazing night, of course. Do everything that is generally done on a birthday. I really don't know where this video is going, so I'm gonna censor myself. But yeah, do everything that would make me very happy. Okay, have lots of cake. That's a must. Okay, and eat tons. But try staying off pav bhaji. That's still our thing, you know. So yeah, just wanna tell you, I'm so grateful every day to have you in my life. But this isn't about me. This is about you. So I'm just gonna make this a short, simple, sweet video. Aditi, you owe Manisha a hug from me. Okay, big one. And yeah, just wanna tell you, I love you and I miss you, and I hope you have the most amazing day ever.
Hi Toki Mummy, wishing you a very happy birthday and many happy returns of the day. Let's hope we meet soon and celebrate it together. Take care, miss you. And PS मेरा काम कर दो please.
Hey, hi Manisha. Many happy returns of the day. I know it's not the right time for you, but just get well soon and go out and party. I know you must be itching to just go out and have a blast. So come to Delhi. See you soon, and we'll party here once you're here. Bye.
आज है तुम्हारा दिन. हैप्पी बर्थडे मिनमिन. बना रही हो ये तुम हमारे बिन. और एंड दैट इन इटसेल्फ इज अ सिन. पढ़ना तुम बहुत सारी टिन और करना तुम हूट फॉर सम IPL टीम टू विन. धोना तुम हम अपने हाथ विद रिन जस्ट फॉर कुछ दिन. इवन दो यू डोंट हैव अ फिन, जस्ट कीप स्विमिंग. कल तूने याद दिलाया था अबाउट आवर स्टेलर पोएम राइटिंग स्किल्स, सो आई थॉट दिस इज मेंट टू बी. This wish has to be in that format only. Happy birthday, Minmin.
Yo, Manisha. I hope you're doing fine. 8 तारीख तेरे लिए और मेरे लिए बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट डे है. तेरा बर्थडे है, मेरी दिल्ली का मैच है. आई होप यू आर हैविंग अ ग्रेट टाइम. एंड याद रखना मेरी शादी में नाचना ज़रूर है. I might forget to call you on the roka. I might forget a lot of things, but luckily I did not forget your birthday. Take care, have a great time, and जल्दी आना और मेरे लिए कचौड़ियाँ पक्का लेके आना. Bye.
Hi Minmin, happy birthday. I miss you so much. I miss everyone so much, but I miss you so much. I miss all of the fun times that we had in Bangalore. I miss the movie premieres, the IMAXs, the random lunches, meeting you in your office, taking that metro back and forth, eating at the small tailors near your office. I miss everything and I miss you a lot. I love you. I hope you and your doggo have the best birthday ever, and that all your dreams and wishes and everything comes true for the next year. And I hope by the time your next birthday is here, I will be able to see you at least once. Okay, I love you. Happy birthday, Minmin. Mwah.
हाय मिनमिन. नरुला हाय बोल. हेलो. हैप्पी बर्थडे. और कोई विशेष चाहिए तुम्हें लाइफ में? बिल्कुल कुछ चाहिए? और
अभी तो बस कोरोना से बच जाए, हम यही चाहते हैं इस बर्थडे के लिए. यही सबसे बड़ा गिफ्ट होगा तुम्हारे लिए.
तो
टोगो बच जाए.
हाँ, टोगो बच जाए
क्योंकि टोगो भी रिस्क पे है.
टोगो कोई रिस्क पे नहीं है.
तो अब तुम्हारी बर्थडे पे और कोई तो घर आने वाला नहीं है, सिर्फ हम लोग ही आए.
याद रखना, याद रखना.
बाहर खड़े होके ना केक काटना.
तो हैव फन.
6 फीट दूर
क्या ही करोगी वैसे बर्थडे पे. चलो
बाय. हैप्पी बर्थडे.
Hi Manisha, a very happy birthday to you. I know you're gonna enjoy a lot now that you have Togo. So don't let me miss out on that, alright? And do send me a lot of pictures and videos, and hopefully I'll see you soon. Happy birthday. Take care.
Almost anything I can think of right now seems like an inside joke. So I'm gonna play it safe, at least on your birthday. And for now, I'm gonna stick to a very happy birthday to you.
I know that this year has been terrible. It has been terrible for all of us. But I hope this coming year gets you younger, happier, much more excited, and as magical as Harry Potter is to you. So happy birthday! And I know we're not there, but I hope you have lots of fun, and excitement is definitely a lot in the house, so I'm sure that is undercover. But yes, happy birthday to you and lots of love.
Happy birthday! Can't wait for you to be back in the same city as me so that we can have lots and lots of movie nights and lots of horror movies and I get too freaked out to finish it and you help me finish it and we find the weirdest, creepiest horror movies in all kinds of languages and try to understand what is happening in them. Have a great day. Bye.
Hi Manisha. So I don't think that we've met in almost a year, but I think this year seems a little different. It seems that we're further away and I miss you. I miss talking to you. I miss hanging out with you. And I don't think between us I need to tell you anything different than that I love you. And I hope 2021 goes much better for you than the past few years have gone by. And I wish you meet a new dog every day of that year. And you meet better people in your life. You meet happier people in your life. And you deserve everything that's coming to you. So, happy birthday. I love you. I miss you. Let's meet soon.
हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू जी। केक शेक है तो फिर बुलाओ जी। ऐसे ही तुम बुढ़े होते रहोगे, हमको उससे क्या मतलब बताओ जी। हैप्पी बर्थडे टू